And welcome to my Western Pennsylvania and Eastern Ohio late fall and early winter forecast. My name is Jake. I've got a lot to tell you guys about, so without delay, let's begin. Let's begin with temperatures. There's going to be two big trends when it comes to temperatures. One, the temperatures across the entire region will be significantly below average this late fall and early winter. Two, temperatures will be even more below average in the southern half of the region than in the northern half of the region. Let's begin with November. These blue lines on the screen, as you can see, they represent and divide the region, so you can see how your location's temperatures will compare with the average temperatures. You can see that for this month, the more south you go, the more below average the temperatures will be. The northern section of the region will be 3 degrees below average. This area includes in Pennsylvania, Erie, Meadville, Oil City, Franklin, Jamestown, and Hermitage. In Ohio, it includes Cleveland, Canfield, Warren, and Youngstown. The central section of the region will be 4 degrees below average. In Pennsylvania, it includes Newcastle, Butler, Granby Township, Penn Hills, Monroeville, McKeesport, Johnstown, and Pittsburgh. In Ohio and West Virginia, it will include Canton, Zanesville, and Wheeling. In the southern section, in Pennsylvania, it includes almost everybody south of I-70, and it also includes the southeastern corner of Ohio. December will be even more below average. North of the blue line, temperatures will be 4 degrees below average. This area in Pennsylvania includes Erie, Meadville, Jamestown, Oil City, Newcastle, Butler, and Granby Township. In Ohio, it includes Cleveland, Canfield, Youngstown, and Canton. South of the blue line, temperatures will be 5 degrees below average. In Pennsylvania, it includes Pittsburgh, Monroeville, McKeesport, and Johnstown. In Ohio and West Virginia, it includes Zanesville and Wheeling. Moving to January, pretty much the entire region will be 4 degrees below average. In Ohio, this includes Cleveland, Canfield, Warren, Youngstown, Canton, Zanesville, and Wheeling, West Virginia. In Pennsylvania, it includes Johnstown, McKeesport, Pittsburgh, Butler, Granby Township, Hermitage, Oil City, Jamestown, and Meadville. Erie is going to be about 3 2/3 degrees below average, so it'll be slightly closer to average than the rest of the region, but still nearly 4 degrees below average. Let's move on to precipitation. There's going to be 3 big trends with precipitation. One, there will be slightly above average precipitation this late fall, especially in the northern half of the region. 2, the beginning of winter will be slightly drier than average, but slightly above average snowfall. This is because even though there will be less precipitation overall, the below average temperatures will bring snow, which with average temperatures would normally be rain. 3, there will be less lake effect snow in the beginning of the winter. This is because the Great Lakes water temperatures are still well below average after last winter's extreme cold. The colder water temperatures will cause less evaporation, and therefore less lake effect snow. Beginning with November, you can see in the top left-hand corner of the screen of the map that says in parentheses, inches of liquid precipitation. That does not mean just rain, it includes snow too. Beginning with the northern section, you can see that precipitation will be about an inch above average. In PA, it includes Erie, Meadville, and Jamestown. Ohio includes Cleveland. The central section will see about half an inch above average precipitation. PA includes Oil City, Franklin, Hermitage, Newcastle, Butler, Penn Hills, Pittsburgh, and Monroeville. Ohio includes Canfield, Warren, Youngstown, and Canton. The southern section of the region will see average precipitation. In PA, it includes Johnstown and McKeesport, Ohio and West Virginia include Zanesville and Wheeling. December will be much drier than November. Most of the region will have about a quarter-inch less precipitation than normal. Ohio includes Cleveland, Canfield, Warren, Youngstown, Canton, and Wheeling, West Virginia. PA includes Johnstown, McKeesport, Ben Hills, Cranberry Township, Butler, Newcastle, Jamestown, Oil City, Franklin, and Meadville. Erie will get a touch more precipitation than the rest of the region, but still be about an eighth of an inch below average. The very southern edge of the region will get about a half an inch below average. This includes southern Pennsylvania and the southeastern corner of Ohio. January will be drier than December, but still not much drier than average. Basically, the entire region will get an inch less precipitation than normal. That includes in Ohio, Cleveland, Canfield, Warren, Youngstown, Canton, and Wheeling, West Virginia. Pennsylvania includes anywhere from Hermitage, Oil City, Jamestown, and Meadville, down to Johnstown, McKeesport, and Pittsburgh. Like in December, Erie will get a touch more precipitation than the rest of the region, but it'll still be about 7/8 of an inch below average. That does it for today's forecast. Please like and subscribe to this video. Also, leave a comment about what you thought about the video, or feel free to ask me any questions about it. Remember, my late winter and early spring forecast will be released in a few months. Thanks for watching.